Hello and welcome to this video on how to find a journal article in the library catalog at NUI Galway Library. First, navigate to the library website. That's at library.nuigalway.ie and log in. You should arrive at the screen shown here with your own name in the top right-hand corner. Now let's say you're looking for the following reference, looking for an article called Lunar Beagle and Lunar Astrobiology. This is by Gibson, Pillinger and Waugh, published in 2010 in the journal Earth, Moon and Planets. Type in the title of the article and the surname of one of the authors. The top result is the article you're looking for. Click the link that says Full Text Available. On this next screen, click the link next to Full Text Available at. You should then come to the article itself, where you can read the article online, or you can download it as a PDF. If you needed any further assistance, you can email us at library@nuigalway.ie.